Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Amazon Workdocs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Amazon Workdocs is a secure cloud-based collaboration and file management app developed by Amazon Web Services, AWS. Originally designed for business and enterprise users, the app allows teams to store, edit, and share documents safely within a centralized workspace. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates seamlessly with other AWS services and third-party productivity tools. The app's main feature is its real-time collaboration system, which lets multiple users view, comment, and edit documents simultaneously. It supports document versioning, permissions control, and secure access management, ensuring sensitive business data remains protected. Users can also upload files directly from mobile or desktop devices and sync changes automatically across connected accounts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Amazon Workdocs for its security, reliability, and integration with the AWS ecosystem. It offers strong encryption for stored and shared files, making it a trusted choice for organizations that prioritize data protection. The collaboration features and built-in feedback tools also make team workflows more efficient, especially for remote teams. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users mention that the interface feels less intuitive compared to platforms like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. The mobile version can also feel limited in functionality, and setup might be complex for non-technical users. Additionally, since it's targeted mainly at AWS users, smaller teams without AWS familiarity might find it overwhelming. In summary, the Amazon Workdocs app may be worth using if you're looking for a secure, enterprise-level collaboration and file-sharing platform with deep AWS integration. However, if you want a simpler and more beginner-friendly tool, other cloud storage options might suit you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.